Ever wonder why people are ditching big, bulky desktops? Once you see the Acemagic AM08pro, you'll get it. This thing is compact, vertical, and has crazy cool RGB lights on top. Looks insane on your desk. But it's not just for show. It's got 3 performance modes built in. Performance mode for gaming or heavy tasks. Auto mode, when you want a smart balance between power and noise. Silent mode when you just want peace and quiet. Also, it's rocking a full copper cooling system, so performance stays stable even when you're pushing it. Want to upgrade the RAM or storage? Just pop off the magnetic side panel. Super easy, no tools needed. You also get all the ports you could ask for USB 3.2, 2 HDMI, 2.5G LAN, and a full-feature Type-C. Yep, it can run 3 4K screens at once. Looks cool, runs fast, stays quiet. Honestly, this mini PC might just be your new favorite setup. Speech balloon, drop a like, hit subscribe, and stick around. There's a lot more where that came from.